I am Sarans Kumar, and without further delays, I am going to directly demonstrate what I have built. First, when we launch this core inventory, we have got some seed data as part of deployment first time setup. We run our seed script to insert the initial required data in the database. Here we have an here we get an email ID like admin@primexmeta.com and simple a password directly from the deployment. The means the system is usually immediately after setup without manually creating everything from scripts. Now we are already logging in with our admin account. As you can see, we have got here administrator management permissions and some infrastructure permissions as well, where we can manage warehouses, we can manage different users, we can allot WhatsApp, warehouses managers. We can add locations where warehouses are. As you can see here, we can create users from this place. We can just we can onboard users from here. For suppose we are here, we can create any user. We can just type their email address. Then we can select their role. Okay. And then we can select their warehouse from the warehouse in which we are appointing them. Once we once we are done and we click on the send invitation, as you can see, we have got a invitation link on our mail. You can just directly click on the link here and we will be redirected to a page where we will we will be asked to set the password. Once we set the password, then we will simply be logged in. And as you can see, I am simply logged in from my warehouse manager account. This is my warehouse manager where I myself can add staffs in my warehouses details. As not only staffs, I can add some viewer as well. The viewers will not have any edit access in the receipts, deliveries, and anything. They can view the receipts and everything, and they can like help in the packaging and stuff. Some staffs who are not into the software, okay, but they can really see the fields and like manage the packaging and stuff. They can really see it. Apart from the core functionality, we have got here products, like we can add products here. Here we go. So this is the product section. We can add create product. So see, adding products option is completely disabled for me because products can be only added by the system administrator. Even warehouse managers are not able to create the products. Okay, so products can be added by the warehouse only by the system administrator. Okay, as you can see here, we can just add products from here. Yeah, the option is completely enabled from for our admin. And then we have got like we can generate our receipts, we can just generate our deliveries, we can also manage our, as you can see, we have got here we've got some set of receipts here, we can create our receipts. Here we go. We can add we can add a supplier name, select the warehouse from where we are going to generate the receipt. Okay, this is a system administrator role, so we can see like multiple warehouses, but the warehouse manager is going to have only one warehouse. Okay, we'll have like notes, like some kind of notes. Okay, we have got like we can select the products from here, we can add like number of items that need to be sent. Okay, and here we can just click on this view icon and we can just simply go and see the receipt, and we can download it as the PDF as well. Just as soon as we download the PDF, then we can simply download it and it's done. Come on. We have got here internal transfers as well. Like if we want to transfer from one warehouse to another warehouse, then it can be simply transferred. You can just click on the create transfer and it's completely simple. A two-step process. We have here move history as well. We have adjustments here. We have a stock overview as well. Ap- Apart from this overall structure, like the this basic facilities of the operations, we can sell this complete thing as a service. For example, we have this system in the Next.js. We are using Next.js for this complete system. We can just have our own logo. Okay. And it's going to be a completely different website. We can deploy the same website any number of times with different logo, with different name and anything. We have got here different theme options as well. We can just customize our theme. We can choose light mode, dark mode, and system mode. Okay. And the user can even select, the system admin can select. We can even have our company settings here. Okay, role-based access. Here we have got our stock overview, like industrial compressor. These are all the stocks. We have got reserved, and these are the available cases. These are the free. So reserved are basically which are going to be sent out and which are yet not sent. So that's all. Yeah, and in the dashboard we have some set of KPIs, like how many products are there, how many stocks are literally low, and how many are literally out of stock, how many receipts are pending to be approved or anything. Here we have scheduled transfers as well, like how many transfers are yet to be scheduled, total warehouses, how many warehouses are there, how many locations are there, locations which are already been saved. For example, we have got our manufacturers as well, like whom we are going to sell, whom we are going to deliver our goods. So we can just save their locations as well in order to deliver them the goods. You can see that we can see our recent receipts here on the dashboard, recent deliveries as well in our dashboards, and the recent transfers as well. So that's all we have.